Bonjour, soyez les bienvenus sur Oliver Academy. In this video, we are going to have a conjugation lesson. Conjugaison. Le verbe avoir au présent de l'indicatif. Avoir. Verb to have in simple present. At the end of the lesson, you'll be able to express a possession. That is, you'll be able to say what you have, what someone has, or what some people have. On y va. Over here we have pronom, verb, the meaning, and example. Let's look at the pronouns we have learned earlier. Je, tu, il, elle. Répétez. J'ai. So we have the apostrophe follow because we are having the word over here is starting with a vowel. This e. So we can have e over here. That is why we are having the apostrophe instead of the je itself. So we read the two together. J'ai. I have. Exemple. J'ai le crayon. J'ai le crayon. I have the pencil. J'ai une mangue. J'ai une mangue. I have a mango. Tu as. Tu as. I have. Sorry, you have. Tu as fini? Tu as fini? Have you finished? So this is a question. You'll be looking at different way of asking questions. So this one, you just add a sentence and add a question mark. Then you have your question. Tu as deux bananes. Tu as deux bananes. You have two bananas. Il a. Il a. He has. Il a un chien. Il a un chien. He has a dog. Il a des maisons. Il a des maisons. He has houses. Elle a. Elle a. She has. Elle a une robe. Elle a une robe. She has a dress. Elle a des enfants. Elle a des enfants. She has children. Nous, vous, il, elle. Répétez. Nous avons. But you say nous avons. Nous avons. Nous is ending with s, and because this one, the word the avon is starting with a vowel, so we combine the two, which is called liaison. Okay, so you combine the two in pronunciation. As you are pronouncing it, you combine the two. So the s will sound z. So nous avons. The same thing will be applied for you. The same thing for the rest of them. Okay, it applies for vous, il, and elle. We have. Nous avons. We have. Exemple. Nous avons une voiture. Nous avons une voiture. We have a car. Vous avez. Avez. Vous avez. You have. Vous avez 3 bœufs. Vous avez 3 bœufs. You have 3 cows. On. Ils ont. Ils ont. They have. Ils ont d'argent. Ils ont d'argent. They have money. Argent. Money. Elles ont. Elles ont. They have. Elles ont des chocolats. Elles ont des chocolats. They have chocolates. Okay. We also say on a. On a. But you don't say on a. You say on a. On a. No matter what you are using the on to replace. You have learned how to use on. Use on to replace one, we, and so on. So no matter what, we say on a. Exemple, on a une voiture. On a une voiture. This is to say we have a car. So using on depend on the context, what we are talking about. So if the person you are talking to understand what you are saying. So on does not have a fixed meaning. Okay, so it depends on what you are saying. Sommaire, summary. So you have personne, that is première personne, deuxième personne, troisième personne, singulier et pluriel. So the person, they are je, tu, il, elle, on, that is singulier, and pluriel we have nous, vous, il, elle. Those are person. Okay, let's add the verbs together with the persons, the personal pronoun, of course. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So that is what we have learned so far. Merci beaucoup, à bientôt.